Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to show you some of the new features that were added to the plugin FarmExpansions after our last video lesson on the plugin. As you can see, this function get unlocked and also export codes are added to the plugin as new function. I will show you how to use them on this section of the video. Okay, this new function get unlocked will allow you to unlock each tile individually for whichever tile you choose to unlock. And this function export codes will allow you to get the database name code of the items that are loose inside each lock tile. You can get the codes and then use those codes, copy them, paste them to another plugin called RSZ items, and use that plugin to store those items before you unlock and delete the tiles. I will show you how to do it. For example, right now I'm going to unlock this tile, Echo Valley. As you can see from my farm, this is the lock tile Echo Valley here, and it has two items inside that has not been removed yet. So I'm going to remove these two items first and then unlock this tile. Now on the plugin FarmExpansions, this one, the Echo Valley, it's a tile that I want to delete and unlock it. So what I have to do is, and that's the only one I want to delete for now, so what I have to do is click on this number 1 here, click on it, and then make sure get unlocked is ticked, save settings, and but I want to run the plugin RSZ items to remove these two items inside the lock tile first before I delete the tile. So what I do is I click on export codes, then I copy this line here, this code area here, into the plugin RSZ items. And I want to mention to you that before you use RSZ items plugin to store those items, you have to manually go into farm and put an item into your cellular storage so that the storage is activated in game, and then you can run RSZ items to store the items. Here's RSZ items. Place the codes that I just copied, paste it here, and make sure this box show other buildings is ticked, so you can see here is the Echo Valley tile, and these are the two that I want to store. And then click on run. Of course, I have to make sure that I am on the farm that I want. In this case is a real farm. I load the settings, then I save and refresh, and run my bot. You can see it from the log. The RSZ items are able to store those two items, the bear, the chimpanzee, into my storage. After I run the RSZ items to store those two items, I can now unlock this tile, Echo Valley, here with FarmExpansions. So what I have to do is make sure run is ticked, get unlocked is ticked, and then save settings. Then run my bot with a refresh token or run account button. As you can see from the bot log, FarmExpansions did remove that tile number 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the tile for Echo Valley, tile ID for Echo Valley. I want to mention that you can use this button, clear unlocked, in the event that if you have selected the wrong tile to unlock, or the wrong item, the wrong tile item that you want to remove for the codes, then you can clear it. You just simply press this button here and redo your selection again. And now, as you can see, I have reloaded my farm, and you can see that tile Echo Valley is no longer there. It's been deleted, removed. So you have opened up the land for that area, and you can check on the storage. And you can see the chimpanzee and the bear are stored. In case if you wanted to remove every single loose item on the inside every lock tiles at once, then what you need to do is make sure that nothing here is ticked, and then click on this export codes, and then you will see that the database code for every item inside every tile is here, and then again copy it and paste it to RSZ items and run RSZ items to store all of them. Well, this concludes the lesson for the additional features that got added to the plugin FarmExpansions.